a man walked into a pet store looking to buy a talking parrot. The store owner showed him a beautiful parrot and said, "This parrot can talk, mimic sounds, and even sing songs." The man was impressed and decided to buy the parrot. When he got home, he eagerly asked the parrot, "Can you say something?" The parrot looked at him and replied, "Squawk. I'm on a strict word limit, you know." The man burst out laughing and said, "Well, I didn't expect a wisecracking parrot." From that day on, the man and the parrot became best pals, exchanging jokes and puns all day long.